Hi everyone, this is my video submission for real-time rendering assignment file. In this assignment, I plan to implement a system by using some descriptive text to generate corresponding 2D human images, then use these 2D human images to generate a 3D model. Let me introduce the first part. The first part is text human. Text human means you only need to provide some text descriptions of the shapes and texture and a human pose. The system can generate a human images based on your input. For example, if you provide a human pose with a person standing with his hands hanging down, and you want to generate a lady wearing a short sleeve t-shirt and a skirt, you can simply describe the shapes and texture just like this. The generation process of text human is divided into two parts. First, it generates a human posing based on the provided human pose, and then it generates a texture based on the provided text descriptions, as you can see from the resulting images. There are still some places that are slightly misplaced, but overall the output is not too bad. However, I want to explore some possibility based on the 2D images. I just thought, can we generate 3D models from these 2D images? I did some research and found some technique can implement this. The first one is SMPL, which stands for Skinned Multiple Person Linear Model. This is a framework used to generate realistic human poses and shapes. I can use it to capture the body skeleton structure and muscle movement. The next is NERF, which is a method used to build realistic 3D models. It's an advanced rendering technique that estimates the color and transparency of each pixel point in a scene based on the ray tracing, and then generates a highly realistic 3D models based on the information. So, based on this series, if I want to generate a realistic 3D model from some 2D images containing a human body, I need to follow these steps. First, using SMPL to construct a 3D model of a human body using the key point information of 2D images as input, and then using NERF to generate a realistic 3D human body model by using SMPL model as input. Okay, let me demonstrate the code part. The first part of the code is the code of text human. You can see that here are some descriptive texts. Let's run this code. The first step in generating an image is to generate a label image. As you can see, the label image meets our requirement, a lady with a t-shirt and a pant. And then we need to generate a human image based on this label image. After 50 iterations, we got our result. The next step is using this image to generate a 3D model. So, this is the code of generating 3D model part. Before that, I need to use SMPL to divide the human body into 16 parts of encoding, and then use NERF technology to render the 3D model. Let's run the code to see the result. It will take a long time, but not too long, just like 10 seconds. Okay, it finished. This is our result. This is indeed what a lady looks like. Right? About the material part of the model, I haven't had enough time to make it happen, but I have implemented 3 different perspective images just like this. Yeah, not too bad. This is all my explanation. Thank you for watching.